back in the southeast corner. So it's the entry corner. So this is the Colmado. So right now they're doing the wood framing to pour the concrete. So they'll pour the concrete forms that will make up the headers for the doors and the windows. You can see they've already poured the headers here for the windows. So these guys are a certain trade that comes in with just the woodwork. So they come in and they do, all leveling here is done with a string. So you can see with the string across, he's creating our flat level front so that when they do their pour, when they put in their wood framing, they know exactly where the level front is. And I'm just using literally strip trees for support posts. Okay, so the other thing that's been dropped off is Caliche. So Caliche is a sedimentary rock here that is super hard, especially when it's mixed with water. So they'll use that to fill in the floors. So I'm pretty sure this floor has already been filled in and compacted. And they're just using a stamper, like a individually operated tamping machine, I guess they're called. So just get out of this guy's way. So this is the terrace in the back. And you can see here where they literally bring the floor up to level. So the whole building is constructed at level, and then they fill in the floors with the dirt, and then they'll be pouring concrete floors. So then we just go to a little bit of property that's between the two buildings. So that first building is the Colmado. They'll do the roof for the Colmado and the terrace, and then they'll start construction on the two apartments up top. The house, you can see, is being filled and tamped as we speak. We'll just go around this way so we're not in anybody's way. There's a lot of construction materials around, so I'm being super careful where I'm walking. So again, this is a very good example. So if we hit the high point at the high point of the house and then we come across level, so because the property goes down slightly, well, not even slightly, because from high point to here was about 3.5 feet. So it actually goes down quite a bit more than what it looks like. So they literally just built the house level for using this starting point here. So I'm going to use my finger. So this is the sort of corner starting point of the house. So they use that as level, and as they came across this line here, then they created the actual bottom of the house. So now they're literally just using caliche and filling in the bottom of the house. So this guy's wheel bearing load after load after load. And then we have the tamping machine here. So they are leaving spaces for the plumbing that's going to be dug in. Electrical will get added after. What they will lay is vents, just plastic tube vents that will accommodate all the wiring. So this is the garage, spare bedroom, and the bathroom that's already been tamped down. You can get an idea of how high the ceilings are going to be. And these windows are left open because again, the headers of the windows and doors are poured concrete. So the guys that are in the front building right now making those wood frames to pour the concrete will eventually come over here and do the same thing here, and we'll put a roof on this building. So moving along, once this floor is all filled in and tamped down, then we start pouring concrete. So yeah, start to stand in rooms now and be at floor height. So there is a little bit of a drop if we get to floor height here. We'll have to decide, we'll sort of get an idea here. We'll have to decide how we want to landscape this. I don't think we want to bring it to level because it's going to make a very low wall. I think we want to do probably a level walkway that's just one step down. Maybe I'll put the step off the walkway so the walkway comes level out the house. That's probably a better idea. And we will have water running off the terrace. So many things to think about still. Have a great day.